that kayak in the water more before you try to get in it. You're gonna bust your ass again. You want to get it in the water as much as you can. So much for the phone. I told you put the kayak in the water first. My poles are still in there. You better get them. You better go swimming, son. Where's the other poles? How many poles were there? You better get in there and get it. One of them poles is a $150 rod and reel. Yeah. You better hurry up before the damn thing floats down the river, man. I got the kayak. Don't worry about the kayak. Just fill around for the pole before I have to jump in there.
Dude, I'm looking everywhere. I got a line. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah,
No, I'm about getting ready to jump in that bitch. There was just one other pole in there, right? That ain't it. Yeah. No, there was two poles in there. There's one other one.
I don't think it's gonna go out.
Oh shit, it's cold.
Yeah, it's fucking freezing.
Oh! Oh!
Hold on, I'm about to get down. Find a fishing line everywhere.
Alright guys, so my friend Danny just busted his ass. The kayak went in the water. My fishing pole's in the kayak and the fishing pole fell out in the water. So we're in the water right now looking for the fishing pole. This water is cold, but we gotta find it. I'm gonna try to set this up where you guys can see us look for it.
Hold on. Hold on, I think I fell off.
Oh shit, it's cold. Oh, you got it! Woo! I thought I just lost like a $300 rod. Oh man, it's cold.
Oh my God.
We're both soaking wet. All right, we gotta go to the house and get some dry clothes on.